Quick battery charger 12-volt 6-amp quick car battery charger, can charge or repair all 12-volt and 24-volt lead-acid automotive, marine and deep-cycle batteries including AGM, GEL, SLA, flooded in cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, lawnmowers, boats, etc. 8. Charging protection smart control, temp compensation in hot climates and undercharging in cold climates, reverse protection, cooling system, overcurrent, fireproof material, overvoltage, short circuit. Trickle charger with multiple protection ensure the safety charging at any time anywhere. No worries. High-efficiency pulse repair battery charger automotive detects battery sulfation and acid stratification. Take newest pulse repair function to restore lost battery performance for stronger engine starts and extended battery life. Note: cannot activate or charging totally dead batteries. Visualized charging. Large LCD display the charging and battery status, charge voltage, charge current, inside temperature, charge percentage, summer mode, winter mode, etc. More convenient to use. Plug and play. No complicated steps, just plug and charge, stay at home and charge your batteries on your own. All-in-one battery solution as car battery charger, battery maintainer, trickle charger, plus battery desulfator. The must-have tool for your garage. Top reviews from the United States. Great for the money. I left something plugged into the car overnight and it drained the battery. Oops. I ordered this cheap charger and it arrived the next day. It took about 3 hours, but it started my car. Then I drove it around for a while and my battery is fine now. Otherwise I would have had to pay a tow truck to come help me. I am very happy.